Who's making that noise? The BCS students are learning subtraction, but a strange and unusual sound was causing distraction. Who's making that noise? Is your computer breaking down? Who's making that noise? Someone's learning to play the drums. Who's making that noise? Is it a roller skating caterpillar?
Can never find a lid.
It's Mrs. Armitage looking for a lid. Who's making that noise? Are you putting coins in my money box? Who's making that noise? They're being very loud. Who's making that noise? How can I work listening to that? Who's making that noise? You're interrupting my WebEx meeting. Who's making that noise? Is someone slurping their soup? Who's making that noise? It sounds like jungle drums. Who's making that noise? Can you please be quiet so I can concentrate? Who's making that noise? Are we at the zoo? Who's making that noise? Do you have to vacuum the floor now? Who's making that noise? It sounds like scissors cutting paper. Who's making that noise? Can I hear a clown's horn? Who's making that noise? Hey, I know that song. Who's making that noise? Oh, when will it be quiet? Who's making that noise? Is that a duck? Who's making that noise? That's a good tune. Who's making that noise? Somebody sounds happy. Who's making that noise? Oh, is someone clicking their fingers now? Who's making that noise? Are you moving the furniture around? Who's making that noise? Who could it be? Who is making that sound? Is it Mrs. Lambin or Mr. Clark again?
Not I.
Not I.
Who is making that noise? Hey, where is Mrs. Boyd? Come on, Let's find somewhere not as noisy to work.